the first part, which is the easy part. Now, there's two properties of circle that you need to know. So remember in coordinate geometry, we did this perpendicular bisector. Okay, perpendicular bisector of AB is number one, we need to find what is the midpoint first. Number two, we need to find the gradient of AB so that the negative of the reciprocal of the gradient of AB will give you the gradient of the perpendicular bisector. Okay, and then the perpendicular bisector only pass through M. So you cannot use your A and B to find the equation. You can only use M to find the equation. That's one. And the most important part, if you print out this, okay, highlight this, the perpendicular bisector of any chord. Chord is a line that does not pass through the center. Okay, the perpendicular bisector of any chord. So if I have a circle, I have any chord AB. So this is AB, all right. My perpendicular bisector of AB will always pass through the center of the circle. Okay, so let's say if I have another line AC, the perpendicular bisector of AC will also pass through the center of the circle. Understand? So if you have no center of the circle, but if you have 3 points of the circumference, find the perpendicular bisector of AB, find the perpendicular bisector of AC. These two lines will meet at the center of the circle. Okay, and then use simultaneous equation to solve. Let's say this is L1 and then this is L2. Okay, and then use simultaneous equation to solve. Okay, so that's property number one that you have to know. Okay, property number two, a tangent to a circle, okay, is perpendicular to the radius. This one is super important. A tangent is a line that touches the circle at that only one point. So it touches here. So this is called a tangent. It will be perpendicular to the radius. Same thing, another tangent perpendicular to radius. You will also learn this thing called properties of circle in your AMath. All right. And when you see the word tangent in b squared minus 4ac, tangent means I only touch at one point. So that's why the b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0. Okay. So three properties of circles that you must know. Number one, the perpendicular bisector of any chord will pass through the center of the circle. Number two, if you see the word tangent, okay, it is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, and when it is perpendicular to the radius, you may also need to use b squared minus 4ac equals to 0.